In this review exercise of matrices and determinants, we will solve few more questions. Here is a question. Suppose if A is equal to this matrix, B is equal to this, then you have to prove AB is not equal to BA, right? In case of matrices, AB is not equal to BA. First of all, see, we will prove AB and then we will solve for BA. So first is A and B. So A is 0, 1, 2 and -3, and keep in mind it says A, B, so always you have to write down A first. Do not write down B first. First you have to write down A matrix and then -3, 2, 5 and -2. And now we will do multiplication. Same thing, first row with the first column, then same row with the second column. 0 multiplied by -3 and then plus 1 multiplied by 5. Here 0 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by -2. Second, 2 multiplied by -3 and then plus -3 multiplied by 5. Here 2 multiplied by 4 positive -3 multiplied by -2, right? Okay, so it will be 0 plus 5 minus 6, it is -15, and this will be 0 and -2, this is 8 and it will be plus 6, right? And when we will simplify it, A and B, we will get here 5, this is -21, this is -2 and this is 14. This is AB. Now we will see what is BA. It should be different from this. BA, right? BA. So here you have to write down B first. Do not write down A first. B is this. And then A is 0, 1, 2 and -3. Okay, we will start multiplication. Same thing. -3 multiplied by 0 plus 4 multiplied by 2. -3 multiplied by 1. Here plus 4 multiplied by -3. 5 multiplied by 0 plus -2 multiplied by 2. Here -2 multiplied by 1 plus -2 multiplied by -3. So we will simplify it here. It will be 0 plus 8, 0 minus 4. It is -3, -12, -2 and plus 6. And when we will simplify it, it is 8, -4, -15 and it should be 2. This is second, okay, sorry, it should be 5. Positive 5 multiplied by 1 and -2 and minus, so it is 11. This is positive, it is 11, right? So this is BA. So see, this is A, this is BA. It proved that AB is not equal to BA. So we have proved it. Second question is, and this is important, okay, if I will say you can do this question as a homework. So what you have to do, BC, you have to multiply B and C first. Whatever is your answer, then you have to multiply with A. Whatever is inside the parenthesis, you have to multiply first. Here you have to multiply A, B first, and then whatever is your answer, you have to multiply with C. I will give you 5 seconds to think about it, how you will solve this question. This is the important question, right? Okay, I will give you the answer. This question is not possible. You cannot solve this question. Why? Because you see it says BC, but we do not have C here. Same thing is AB and then you have to multiply at the end with C, and we do not have the C matrix. So the solution is not possible. Right? Please subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.